सोएंगे, रात को कल्कि भगवान आएंगे, सब दुष्टों का नाश करेंगे, सबको काट मार के खत्म करेंगे। हम उठेंगे सवेरे और कल्कि भगवान बोलेंगे चलो अभी सतयुग शुरू हो गया, जियो मेरे लाल। ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है। एंड ग्लोबल मेल्ट डाउन होने वाला है, फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशंस बहुत खराब होने वाली है, स्टॉक्स के प्राइसेस में बहुत उथल पुथल होने वाला है फ्रॉम सितंबर ऑनवर्ड्स। You need to work on your present karmas. You need to work on your bhakti. You need to work on certain mantras that will help you during this chaotic period. First and foremost, what is our topic about? We have entered into a new Gregorian calendar, 2025. What is the importance of this? There is a cosmic blueprint that is connected with this year, and you will be surprised to know the various aspects. I have been putting across gentle hints over a period of 1 year. I don't know how many of you all have really understood what I have been trying to put across, but this is not to put in any fear. किसी को डराने की बात नहीं है, but we have to be cautious because forewarned is prearmed. So when you know in advance, when you're walking on a path and you know that there is a pit over there in front of you, you will be careful to avoid that pit and you will be careful to ensure that you do not fall in that pit, right? But if you do not know that there is a pit, then the chances are that you may stumble, you may not know, and you may sometimes fall in the pit. So that is what this whole session is about, because now when we do a lot of deep meditation, reach high levels of meditation, there's a lot of things that we download from the universe. Like many times I have told you all that the universe talks to us. The universe is communicating to us every minute, every moment. We just have to tune ourselves to the universe and listen to the universe. Get the messages that the universe is giving to us. And you fine-tune that ability when you are in regular meditation practice. So when we do this deep meditation several times, we get in certain messages coming down to us over a period of time. And what messages I have got, it is also surprising that many other people have got similar messages. When we check notes with each other, when we check notes with one another, be they spiritual practitioners, be they astrologers, many of them have come up with astonishing similar results. So therefore, I find it very imperative, I find it very necessary कि ये सारी चीजें आप लोगों को बताना जरूरी है. We have now entered into a transition period. All of us know which yuga we are in. We are in the Kali Yuga. We have now entered into a transition period of this Kali Yuga. This cycle of the yugas is, there is a cycle going on. I will just share this with you so you will understand it better. Can you all see this on the screen? Yes? Can you all see it? Okay. Okay, so this is the yoga. All right. So you have this Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, Kali Yuga. Okay. And then this is a descension. From Satya Yuga, we are going down and down, deteriorating in our values, in our cultures, in a lot of things, till we reach the peak of Kali Yuga. And then from Kali Yuga, we are then moving to the ascension. So you have a descending cycle and you have an ascending cycle. This is how the cycle is always round, right? Many people feel that Kali Yuga के बाद में डायरेक्ट सतयुग हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You then ascend upwards towards Kali Yuga, towards Satyuga. Okay, so then you will have a Dwapara, Treta, and a Satya Yuga. Okay, so here now we are over here in this Kali Yuga. Can you see this over here? Here, 2025. Where are we? We are in the transition period for the next 300 years going towards Dwapara. And it is starting from 2025. So now we have reached that crossroad where now we will be slowly moving towards Dwapara Yuga. तो ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है कि suddenly you go to sleep one night and then the next day you get up in the morning, अरे चलो द्वापर युग शुरू हो गया. ऐसा तो नहीं होने वाला है. Right? Every time there is a transition sandhya, you say, or a transition gap. Right? So the transition gap from one yuga to the other is always very deep. It goes very deep. So when it goes very deep, what happens is a lot of things start happening. What are those lot of things that start happening? There is a lot of tussle. There's a lot of chaos. Now just remember, after Shri Krishna, Kali Yuga started. Everyone knows this. Shri Krishna के बाद में Kali Yuga शुरू हुआ. तो श्री कृष्ण जाते जाते क्या हुआ था? Chaos हुआ था. Right? उनके पूरे वंशज आपस में लड़ रहे थे. महाभारत युद्ध हुआ था. उसके बाद में when everyone went back and they started ruling their own kingdoms, तो श्री कृष्ण के द्वारका नीचे पानी में चला गया था at the end when Shri Krishna left the bhumi. And उसके पहले what was happening? उनके पूरे वंशज आपस में लड़ रहे थे. सारे यादव आपस में लड़ रहे थे एंड मिटा दिया अपने आप को. उन्होंने खुद अपने आप को मिटा दिया था. Right? So there is going to be chaos. Right? अभी bright light है, daylight है. Okay? एकदम से तो रात्रि आती नहीं है. संध्या आती है और फिर रात्रि आती है. राइट? तो वो संध्या के टाइम पे हमें धुंधला दिखने लगता है. न रात्रि है न दिन का उजाला है, तो हमें धुंधला दिखने लगता है. नेचुरल. सिमिलरली रात्रि के बाद में सवेरा होता है. जस्ट बिफोर सनराइज इट इज द डार्केस्ट. सूर्योदय के थोड़ा पहले इट इज अ डार्केस्ट पीरियड और फिर धुंधला दिखने लगता है. उसके बाद में सूरज उगने के बाद then you start getting proper clear light, right? तो थोड़ा टाइम तो धुंधला होता है. You cannot see clearly, right? This is a transition period. This is what I mean to say when I say transition period. We are all familiar with these facts, but we do not apply it to our lives. हाँ, संध्या होती है, सवेरे हो गया, रात हो गया, संध्या हो गया, ये हो गया, बत्ती लगाना, सब हम बोलते हैं, लेकिन ये चीज हम अपनी लाइफ में we do not look to our life and say कि हमारी जिंदगी में क्या हो रही है, वर्ल्ड में क्या हो रहा है. Right? So now we are moving towards a very, very chaotic period. Very chaotic period. So इसमें we are now in the ascension cycle, moving upwards from one yuga to another. This is a period of about 300 years. हम लोग कोई 300 years जीने वाले नहीं हैं, लेकिन ये जन्म तो हमें कंप्लीट करना है. उसके बाद में शायद हम लोगों का 1 या 2 और जन्म भी हो सकता है ये 300 years में. And Shri Krishna, Shrimad Bhagavad Gita में what does he say? that where you leave your spiritual upliftment in the last life, you continue from there in your next life. And that decides where and how you are going to be born in the next life. He has said that in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, तो श्री कृष्ण तो झूठ नहीं बोल रहे हैं, right? So we have to believe that yes, this is how it is. So what have we done to ensure, we meaning our soul, ये शरीर तो नाश्वर है. What is स्थायी is our soul, right? So what have we done for our soul to ensure that the next 300 years will also be good for us? And ये जिंदगी भी, हम ये 2025 भी पार करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे? सबको तो करना है, 2025 पार करना है, अपने फैमिली को पार कराना है, अपने बच्चों को पार कराना है. So what have we done to prepare ourselves for this? Now, this 300 odd years जो मैं बोल रही हूँ, the first 8 to 10 initial years जो रहता है, it is going to be very difficult globally. Globally हमने already देखा है, there is a lot of utal-putal going on globally. Lot of things happening, wars, intolerance, बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही है, right? So third world war definitely होगा. उसकी already शुरुआत हो गई है. You're finding countries fighting with each other. What is happening in the Middle East? What is happening between Russia, Ukraine? Everything is going to escalate. There is no doubt about it. Everything is going to escalate. And उसी के बीच में हमें जिंदा रहना है, हमें जीना है. उसी के बीच में, उसी के बीच में हमारे बच्चों को जीना है. So have we made ourselves saksham, capable to survive this chaos? Like I said, wars are going to be there globally. India, as far as possible, Bharat is trying to remain away from this global chaos of war, but there will come a time when we will be dragged into it. How we can be dragged into it? By being attacked. Bharat has never gone and attacked another country. But when it has been attacked, it has always defended itself. So if you are attacked, you will definitely defend yourself. So war की साध्यता बहुत है. Different countries will come together. You see what's happening in Bangladesh? Right? All these are signs. They are getting ready to attack us. And what is happening inside India? That is much worse. What is happening inside India? We tend to neglect it. We try to ignore it. But ignoring it is just foolishness. There is going to be a civil war. होने वाला है. उधर से लिख के आया है कि ये सब चीजें होने वाली है. But I'm not saying this to frighten you all, but let me give you the good news. Bharat, India will be the least affected country among all the other countries considered. It will be the least affected, but it will be affected. मतलब बाकी कंट्रीज अगर 100% अफेक्टेड होते हैं, हम 50% अफेक्टेड हो जाएंगे. तो हमें क्या वो 50% में पढ़ना है? हम अपनी बचाव कैसे कर सकते हैं, क्या क्या होने वाला है. So, like I said, pre-warned is forearmed. So when you are warned in advance, you are able to arm yourself better. Natural calamities will take place. ये जो जल तत्व है, अग्नि तत्व है, वायु तत्व है, ये तीनों का भयंकर उत्पन्न होने वाला है. There are going to be a lot of natural calamities, earthquakes that will be taking place, tsunamis that will be coming up. You already saw all this, what is happening in just before we ended our 2024. You saw about what happened in the US, floods. नहीं आएगा, नहीं आएगा, नहीं आएगा, बोल बोल के आ गया. Right? I hope you are aware of what is happening in the world. So ये सारी natural calamities will happen not only globally. When it happens globally, it will happen in India also. So who can survive this? Who can come out of this? Abhi they also say that this is the time for Kalki Avatar. Okay? लेकिन Kalki Avatar अभी तक आया नहीं है. और वो जैसे बच्चा पैदा होगा, इट्स नॉट दैट जैसे श्री कृष्ण पैदा हुआ, डिड ही किल कंस इमीडिएटली द नेक्स्ट डे? कुछ साल लगे ना. और उस उतने सालों में कंस का तांडव चालू था ना. राइट? सो there is going to be a lot of, we have already seen that there's going to be a lot of negative energies that are flooding this planet to ensure that negativity फैले और जितना हो उतना डिस्ट्रक्शन हो सके. It is not like how we think कि एक दिन प्रलय होगा and everything will get washed out and then next day से सत्युग हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है. Okay, when you're saying pralay, it means you are washing out, clearing out all the negativity. Who has to clear out and wash out the negativity? Don't expect Kalki Bhagwan to do everything. We are also responsible. There are a lot of Sant sadhus in the Himalayan regions who are sitting and doing tapas over there. उनकी ऊर्जा आ रही है. There are a lot of angels जिनकी ऊर्जा आ रही है. They want our support. The support of the positive people. ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम तुम्हारा काम करो, मैं बस लेटी रहूं. हमें हमारा जो कर्म है, हमें हमारा कर्म करना पड़ेगा. So how are these negative energies going to be affecting? You will not feel like doing bhakti. You will not feel like going to the temple. You will not feel like doing pat puja. You will not feel like doing meditation to raise your positive vibrations. जाने दो, आज नहीं करती हूँ, कल करूंगी. कल वापस आज, कल भी नहीं किया, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, आज भी नहीं करती हूँ, आज भी नहीं करती हूँ. ऐसे टालते जाएंगे, लेथार्जी आने लगेगा, कुछ करने को मन नहीं करेगा. So we need to fight those mental battles. ये जो हमारा माइंड है ना, many times I have told you all, ये हमारा दोस्त भी हो सकता है, ये हमारा दुश्मन भी हो सकता है. दोस्त तब होगा जब हमें सही पथ पे लेके जाएगा, और दुश्मन तब होगा, एनिमी तब होगा when it will draw us out from the right path into doing things that we are not supposed to be doing, into thinking things we are not supposed to be thinking. So we have to ask ourselves how prepared we are. I don't recollect whether I have told you all, but I think in one of the sessions I have given this example. I will repeat this example once again. There was a ship and which was going to sail. So at that time, the captain, before starting, the captain sat and he said his prayers. Everybody was, hi, hello, idhar baitho, ye karo, ye wo. Everybody was busy having fun. Nobody was sitting and praying that they have a safe journey. But the captain sat and prayed for a safe journey. And then the ship set sail. After a little bit of the journey, midway, there was a storm. There was a storm in the sea. So ship has to surface that. Ship has to maneuver through it. Everybody got scared. Ship डूब जाएगा. Everybody then started praying. हे भगवान हमें बचाओ, हे भगवान हमें बचाओ. कोई ये भगवान को बुला रहा है, कोई वो भगवान को बुला रहा है. भगवान हमें बचाओ. कैप्टन जो है वो कामली अपना शिप को स्टीयर कर रहे. तो कोई जाके कैप्टन को बोला, तुम क्या ये कर रहे हो? भगवान को बुलाओ. So the captain said, I already did that. I'm already prepared. I have the power, the strength of God with me now. Now is the time for me to do my karma. Now is the time for me to do my duty. So I cannot leave my duty aside and sit down calling God. तो यही हमारी situation है. If we had prepared ourselves in advance, now we would have been able to move forward very nicely with our karma. But many of us have not done that. Let us accept the fact. Many of us have not done that. We have not prepared ourselves well. Therefore, at least now we should start getting prepared. कि कल नहीं किया जाने दो, अभी आज भी करके कुछ फायदा नहीं है, मरने दो. ऐसे सोच सकते हैं हम? नहीं ना. तो कल नहीं किया, ठीक है, अभी आज से तो करूं. कल जो नहीं किया जाने दो, बेटर लेट देन नेवर. अभी से तो मैं कम से कम सीरियस हो जाऊं about this entire facet, about this entire change, transition. Lifestyles change होने वाले हैं. There are high chances of another lockdown happening. Lot of things are going to be happening. I am not scaring y'all, but I am just forewarning y'all. So that we are prepared. Last time जब lockdown आया था, nobody was prepared, ना? Nobody was prepared. सब डरे बैठे थे, ये क्या हो रहा है? Now at least we are forewarned, we will be ready, we will be prepared, we will know what is to be done. So we need to raise our vibrations above the negative energies that will try to influence us. Only then can we survive. That is the only way out. No other way out is there. बस ये एक ही दरवाजा अभी खुला है और कोई दरवाजा खुला नहीं है. सबको उसी दरवाजे से निकलना होगा टू सर्वाइव. जैसे कि हम एक गुहा में हैं और एक ही पाथ है टू कम आउट नाउ. देयर इज नो अदर वे. या तो फिर वो गुहा में घुट घुट के मर जाओ, या तो फिर गुहा से वो एक रास्ते से पकड़ के बाहर निकलो. दैट इज द ओनली वे आउट. एंड दिस डज नॉट हैपन इजीली. ये जो हम सोचते हैं ना, वी हैव डन द नाम जप, राइट? नाम जप का मेडिटेशन हमने किया है, वो सिखाया है मैंने. कितने लोगों ने वो प्रैक्टिस किया रहेगा, आई डू नॉट नो. बट you need practice. It is not easy to get it coming, the Naam Jap coming at a moment of trial. It is not easy to come. Let me narrate to you one incident. It's a real life incident of a person who had started doing the Naam Jap. They had shared with me, they started doing the Naam Jap about 2.5 years से उन लोगों ने नाम जप का उन्होंने प्रैक्टिस शुरू किया था. रेगुलरली नाम जप करते थे, वो कंटिन्यूअसली कर रहे थे. बट व्हेन यू आर इन फियर, सब भूल जाते हैं. What that person told me was that they encountered a situation where they were in an accident. उनकी गाड़ी जो है दूसरी गाड़ी से बहुत बुरी तरह से ठोकर मारी, बहुत बुरी तरह से. And they literally saw death in front of their eyes and they thought कि अब चैप्टर खत्म, अब मैं इसमें से नहीं बचूंगा. क्योंकि सामने जो था बिगर व्हीकल था, ट्रक लॉरी ऐसा कुछ था, और उनकी छोटी गाड़ी थी विदाउट अ वेरी बिग बॉनेट ऑल्सो. तो सोचो, ट्रक से हेड ऑन कोलिशन होता है, सो व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन. एंड रात का समय. सो बोला कि मैंने सोचा मैं तो गया, लेकिन उस टाइम पे व्हेन दे सॉ डेथ इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम, व्हाट ही सेड वाज, मैं नाम जब भूल गया. आई वाज लाइक जस्ट नाम जब भूल गया. दो 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 2.5 साल से रेगुलरली कर रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी उस मोमेंट ऑफ फियर में वो जब निकला नहीं उसके मुंह से भगवान का. उसके बाद में उन्होंने सोचा मैं नाम जप करूं. एंड देन व्हेन ही वाज पुल्ड आउट ऑफ द कार, he was doing the नाम जप. And they asked him, what is your name? And he was doing the नाम जप. उसके बाद में, लेकिन उस क्षण में नाम नहीं आया उनकी जुबान पे. मतलब थिंक ऑफ द अमाउंट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस यू रिक्वायर. ऐसा नहीं है कि 6 महीने से हम कर रहे हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा, 1 साल से हम कर रहे हैं ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगा. नहीं, यू नीड years and years and years of tapas to have that, reach that level जहां पे वो नाम निकले अपने मुंह से. नॉट मम्मी पापा आ ऊ, वो नहीं निकले, भगवान का नाम निकले. उसके लिए बहुत, इसीलिए तो श्री कृष्ण ने मेनी टाइम्स, आई हैव बीन रिपीटिंग दिस टू यू ऑल एंड आई विल नॉट फेल टू रिपीट इट वंस अगेन टू यू ऑल. इसीलिए श्री कृष्ण ने श्रीमद् भगवद गीता में अर्जुन से कहा था, असंशयं महाबाहो मनो दुर्निग्रहं चलम् अभ्यासेन तु कौन्तेय वैराग्येन च गृह्यते. अभ्यास करो हे कुंती पुत्र. अगर वो अर्जुन को कह रहा है, ऑल ऑफ यू रिमेम्बर, मैं ये हमेशा बोलती हूँ, अभ्यासेन तु कौन्तेय. अगर वो कुंती पुत्र को कहता है अभ्यासेन तु कौन्तेय, तो हम कौन है अर्जुन के सामने, धनंजय के सामने हम कौन है? डेफिनेटली वी नीड अभ्यास, नो. यू हैव टू कंट्रोल द माइंड एंड कंट्रोलिंग द माइंड इज नॉट इजी. ऐसा नहीं है कि 1 दिन 2 दिन 1 हफ्ता मेडिटेशन करो, 1 महीना मेडिटेशन करो और माइंड कंट्रोल में आ जाएगा. नहीं आएगा. 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल 5 साल 10 साल, मैंने 25 years निकाले हैं इसमें. और मैं बोल रही हूँ, आई स्टार्टेड व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज. 25 years निकाले हैं मैंने इसमें. आई एम टेलिंग यू फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस. इट टेक्स टाइम to bring your mind to that stability, वो स्थिरता, that it can lead you through the right path. तो इमीडिएटली इतनी गलतियां हो जाती है हमसे, नहीं तो हम भगवान होते। वी आर ऑल ह्यूमन बींग्स, हम लोग सब मनुष्य हैं, हमसे गलती हो सकती है, लेकिन वो गलती को पहचानना, वो गलती को एक्सेप्ट करना और उस गलती को सुधारना, ये हमारी फ्री विल में आना चाहिए, ये हमारे कर्म में आना चाहिए, तभी तो आगे की गति होगी। अगर हम अपनी गलतियों को जस्टिफाई करते रहेंगे, वी विल नेवर हैव अ फॉरवर्ड गति, वी विल नेवर हैव अ फॉरवर्ड मूवमेंट। सो व्हेन यू टॉकिंग अबाउट एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल इन्फ्लुएंसेस, अभी मैंने आपको एक चार्ट भी दिखाया, आई शोड यू अ चार्ट ऑल्सो विच शोज how we are transitioning. So when you're talking about astrological, I told you all there has been a lot of astrological predictions also, as well as a lot of other spiritually like-minded people who have come up with the same things that they have been downloading from the universe. अभी ये तो coincidence नहीं हो सकता ना कि सबको एक ही मैसेज मिल रहा है, लगभग एक ही तरीके के मैसेजेस मिल रहे हैं सबको। So when we talk about astrology, there are two planets that are going to be influencing this year of 2025 to start with. 2025 जो है वो मंगल का साल है। सो मंगल में, मंगल एंड शनि, ये 2024 जो था वो शनि का साल था, एंड शनि इज ओवरलैपिंग इनटू 25, एंड ग्रह स्थिति जो है वो मार्च, अराउंड मिड मार्च के आसपास इट इज चेंजिंग. So you will find more of this chaos happening from mid-March onwards. So मंगल एंड शनि जो है, ये दोनों जो है अपने कर्मास के हिसाब से देता है. शनि भगवान इज अ गॉड ऑफ जस्टिस. सही करो सही फल पाओ, गलत करो गलत फल पाओ. शनि इज अ गॉड ऑफ जस्टिस, किसी को नहीं छोड़ता. प्योरली ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर कर्मा इट वर्क्स. एंड मंगल ग्रह जो है, इट हेल्प्स इन डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग योर माइंड. तो वैसे ही नेगेटिव फोर्सेस है, और मंगल जो है it will distract your mind. There will be a lot of anger boiling inside you. You have to learn to control your anger. There will be a lot of fights taking place, not only globally but also inside our individual spaces of our homes. तो ये कलह से हमारे घर को बचाना है. Because there will be a lot of anger, lot of fights, lot of emotional upheavals. So emotional upheavals में क्या हो जाता है? Relationships खराब होते हैं. When you talk about relationships getting spoiled, there will be breakups between parents, children, husbands, wives, property issues, depression. People will be entering into literally suicidal thoughts. So over here, which chakra is important? The heart chakra is important. You have to work on your heart chakra and your root chakra to bring the stability. Lots of distraction will be there, that you will feel lethargy also, you will get distracted also, you will not feel like doing sattvic practices. You have to overcome all this, develop and become strong in your spiritual journey. So only those who are strong spiritually will be able to survive this chaos. So this is a time where we have to think seriously. The first step for this is bhakti. Bhakti karo, intense bhakti karo. And Kalki Bhagwan का जो गुरु होने वाले हैं, this is written even in the Puranas, even in the Skanda Purana, etc. It is written over there. In the Mahabhagavatam also it is written कि जो कल की भगवान है उनके जो गुरु होने वाले हैं, दे आर गोइंग टू बी परशुराम भगवान। जो चिरंजीवी है इज गोइंग टू बी परशुराम भगवान एंड हनुमान जी। दोनों चिरंजीवी है एंड दोनों कई युगों से हैं, and they are going to be the gurus of Kalki Bhagwan. So for this, what you require is protection from Hanumanji, Shani Bhagwan, Surya Bhagwan, and Gurudev. Guru. इनकी प्रोटेक्शन में, इनके शरण में जाना है, तीव्र भक्ति करना है, intense bhakti that they cannot then ignore you. They cannot then not protect you. And one of the good aspects of this is also, of this chaotic period, is also that a lot of people will move towards the spirituality, towards the spiritual movement. A lot of people will move towards it. Maybe because लोगों को पता चलेगा कि और कोई चारा है नहीं, अगर हमें बचना है इस जन्म में और आगे के जन्मों में भी, तो हमें ये करना ही है. Maybe they will realize it. Or in desperation. But many people will move towards this because people will feel lost. Just think, natural calamities, world war, civil war, उसके बीच में ये सारी नेगेटिविटीज, अपने खुद के इमोशनल अपहीवल्स, कैसे संभालोगे, कैसे संभलोगे? So we need to work on our karmas also. हमारे जो कार्मिक कॉर्ड का क्लास, many people have attended it. I don't know how many of you all are practicing it even now. But you need to work on your karmas. You need to cut your karmic cords. You need to release, dissolve your karmic cords that are bad for you. You need to do that regularly. Practice karna hai. You have to uplift yourself spiritually. I want to see each one of you all coming out successfully out of this. And when you're talking about the fire is going to be the Vadavanala fire. ये जो fire है, this is a fire that comes from the ocean. And this fire, इसकी जो प्रत्येकता है, the speciality or the typicality of it is, वो सिर्फ दुष्टों का नाश करती है. This was the same fire that Hanuman allowed to come to his tail जब उन्होंने लंका को दहन किया था. So there were two places that were left out. Which were those two places? एक अशोक वाटिका जहां मां सीता बैठी थी, और दूसरा विभीषण का घर. दोनों सात्विक, दोनों परम पूज्य. बाकी का पूरा लंका का दहन हो गया था, जला दिया था उन्होंने. So that is the speciality of the Vadavanal fire. This is what we need to use for our benefit. We need to focus on this. We need to dedicate time every day. Are you ready to dedicate some time every day for this? Everyone has got various commitments. मुझे भी तो है commitments. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे commitments नहीं है, मैं ऊपर देख के बैठी हूँ. मुझे भी तो है commitments, professional commitments, personal commitments, सबको है. लेकिन अभी अगर हमने समय नहीं निकाला तो कब निकालेंगे? We are constantly running in a rat race. This rat race has made us only rats. तामसिक एंड राजसिक बना दिया है हम. दैट इज अ रैट रेस, बीइंग तामसिक एंड राजसिक. एंड व्हाट आर वी रनिंग फॉर इफ वी विल ओनली नॉट बी देयर? अगर हम खुद ही नहीं रहेंगे तो किसके लिए भाग रहे हैं हम? I keep telling in the Bala Gokulam also that I conduct, I keep telling the parents that you are working, earning, so that you can give your children a bright future. You can make them an engineer, doctor, or IT professional, or God knows whatever, whatever, whatever. You're trying to bring a 3 BHK, 4 BHK for your child. But what will you do with all this that you have earned if your child goes on the wrong path and your child is only not there? तो अपने बच्चे को सही दिशा पे लेके आना जरूरी है. सो व्हाट आर वी रनिंग फॉर अगर हम खुद ही नहीं रहने वाले हैं? इतना बड़ा बैंक बैलेंस किसके लिए छोड़ रहे हैं अगर हम खुद ही नहीं है? पूरा फैमिली वाइप आउट हो जाए, किसके लिए छोड़े हैं फिर वो? सो आई टेल द बालगोकुलम पेरेंट्स कि don't, I'm not saying do not progress, but do not progress at the cost of your child. You think you are giving him a bright future, but are you aware of everything that's happening around? Be aware of what is happening around. And if your child gets trapped in that, you will not be able to give them a bright future. If their future itself is finished, you might as well spend some time with your child to ensure that your child is safe and live in a small 1 BHK. But you are happy that your child is with you and your child is safe and alive, isn't it? Rather than buying a 4 or 5 BHK for your child and not having your child at all. What is better option? स्थिति जो है यहां तक पहुंची है. ओके, नाउ इट इज फॉर अस टू नो डूब के जाना है या ऊपर उठना है. We have to take this seriously, and that is why I am having this session today. That we have reached a place of crossroads now. Now we have no time. कल के लिए कोई टाइम नहीं है. No time to postpone things. No time for a tomorrow, because tomorrow may then not come. Tomorrow then may not be there. We have been taking time for granted. We have been taking the tomorrows that have been coming. We have been taking it for granted. Arey, kal. But we have reached a crossroad now, where now we do not have time to postpone things. And no one will help you. You have to do it yourself. Each one has to do it themselves. God will also help those who help themselves. Right? भगवान भी उसी का हेल्प करेगा ना जो अपना खुद का हेल्प करे. Let me give you a very simple example. कोई आपके लिए खाना बना के देता है, आपको भूख लगी है, कोई आपको खाना बना के देता है, प्लेट में परोस के देता है, आपके सामने रखता है. खाना तो आप ही को है. ठीक है, कोई इतना भी करे आपको कि वो खाना उठा के आपके मुंह में भी डाल के दे दे. ठीक है, इतना तक कोई करके दे आपको, लेकिन वो खाने को चबा के सोलो तो आप ही को करना है. और कोई करके दे सकता है वो आपको? कैन एनीवन डू दैट फॉर यू? वो तो आप ही को करना है ना. Nobody will be able to do that for you. So this जो है, you have to do it yourself. Don't wait for कल की भगवान to come and rescue you. कि एक दिन जो है हम लोग सोएंगे, रात को कल की भगवान आएंगे, सब दुष्टों का नाश करेंगे, सबको काट मार के खत्म करेंगे। हम उठेंगे सवेरे और कल की भगवान बोलेंगे चलो अभी सतयुग शुरू हो गया, जियो मेरे लाल। ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है। सर्वाइविंग द नेक्स्ट 7 to 8 years इज वेरी वेरी क्रूशियल। आपने चार्ट देखा 2025 CE रिटन इन द चार्ट, इट इज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड। And this 7 to 8 years जो है is going to be very crucial. आगे जाके let me tell you, yes, India will come up as a superpower, no doubt about it. We will become a Vishwa Guru. But do you want to be alive to witness that or not? This next 7-8 years बहुत कम है और बहुत ज्यादा भी है. But definitely everybody wants to live next 7-8 years. Till this chaos moves out and settles down a little bit. Now, when you are, so you have to start this moment. Starting from now, this moment, time has already started rolling. Now, if you stand on one leg, will you get balance for a long period of time? बताओ मुझे. Yes, no. Will you get balance for a long period of time if you stand on one leg? A wavering mind is like that. Now, when a wave will hit you and you're standing on one leg, you will fall down. Balance नहीं मिलेगा, गिर जाएंगे हम. ठीक है, you're standing with both your feet firmly on the ground. You get a balance. तो कोई वेव आएगा, समझो आप बीच पे खड़े हो, कोई वेव आएगा, आप अपने आप को बैलेंस कर सकते हैं. लेकिन कोई बड़ा वेव आएगा, you will lose your balance. छोटे वेव आएंगे, you will be able to balance it out. लेकिन कोई बड़ा वेव आ गया, you will not be able to balance. Now, just think, if all stand together, holding hands, both feet on the ground, कितना भी बड़ा वेव आए, एक दूसरे का बल बन के हम उस ताकत को पार कर सकते हैं, उस वेव को पार कर सकते हैं. We can withstand those huge waves. You understand what I am saying? So we need to stand together as one another's strength to be able to withstand this huge wave. We will be holding, that is Saksharita, will be holding several programs for this. Because this is Gurudeva's Sandesh. Reach out and help people. So we will be holding various programs. Some programs will be free. Some will be paid courses. At least join the free programs. If you join the paid courses also, it will be good because you will get more information, more power, more energy to strengthen yourself. लेकिन कम से कम वो फ्री प्रोग्राम्स को मत छोड़ो. कैसे न कैसे टाइम निकाल के उसको करो. Do it. Because this is Gurudeva's Sandesh. Reach out to people strongly. मैं 1 साल से काफी हिंट्स दे रही थी आप लोगों को. कंसिस्टेंट रहो, कांस्टेंट रहो, कमिटेड रहो. काफी टाइम से मैं आप लोगों को संदेश दे रही थी. अपने आप को स्ट्रेंथन करो. Empower yourself, raise your vibrations. But many of you all took it possibly lightly. But now Gurudeva has said, no. Hit out to them and tell them कि हमें इससे पार करना ही है, हमें बचना ही है. There is no other alternative. The other alternative is too terrible, too horrible. Okay. So if anyone has any questions, I will open the portal for questions. You can unmute yourself and you can ask your question. Anyone has?
Namaste, Reena ji.
No, yes, namaste.
Namaste. Now, you think all these issues will get sorted out in 7 years' time? I think it's getting aggravated year after year. When I see the Mahakumbh, the chaos or whatever confusion that you're talking about in the world.
It is going to aggravate. It is going
now
to
aggravate. Now another fellow, one group is saying that Mahakumbh is to be cancelled. Now, are we going towards reconciliation or
it will not be cancelled? It will not be cancelled. It will
not be cancelled. That is
but there's going to be a lot of chaos and trauma.
That's what I'm saying. Yes.
And it's going to get worse.
Yes.
2025 is just the beginning of all the worst things happening.
Yeah, it looks like.
It is so. Because this is a message that we have received when we download information from the universe. This is a message we receive. And surprisingly, many people have got the same similar messages. And when you compare it, I don't know astrology, but when I connected with various astrologers, surprisingly, they also said that the planetary charts, movements, and astrology says the same thing. So we are all on that same page where this is concerned.
Another doubt is actually, you're saying Kali Yuga has another 300 years to go. Now it is 2025, another 2325 is what you're saying. Whereas in Bhagavad and all, they are talking about, thousands and thousands of years.
Lakhs of years, that is...
Yeah, lakhs of years.
That is a perception of time. The time, earth and the divine time mein farak hai.
Okay. Right.
That is
so our time is only 325 years.
Yes.
Okay, right.
Anyone else has any question? Yes, Nirupama? You're not very audible, Nirupama. You're not very audible. Can you put your question? You're not very audible, Nirupama. Can you put your question in the chat box? Yes, anyone else? Any questions?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. Ma'am, as you said, the lockdown will happen in near future. That means similar situation will repeat again?
Possibly.
Okay.
There is going to be global diseases widespread. That वो तो दिख ही रहा है.
Okay.
ये जो कोरोना का कोविड का ये था, it was a trial.
Oh.
And one such can take millions out.
That was just a preview.
Right.
And global meltdown होने वाला है. Financial situations बहुत खराब होने वाली है. Stocks के prices में बहुत उथल पुथल होने वाला है from September onwards.
Okay.
Yes, anyone else? Any question? Nirupama, you put your question. any specific mantras to be chanted, all these guidances will be given in our workshops. Like I said, we will be having a lot of free workshops as well as paid workshops. So you will get the guidances.
Is it something like karmic cord cutting?
Sorry?
There's sessions.
Karmic cord cutting, you're saying, huh?
Yeah. Is it something similar to that?
No, there will be various different kind of courses also, as well as there will be meditations. There will be other courses which are free courses also, where you can learn certain things, certain mantras and certain other things. So we will be having various sessions, various things going on, where we can, jointly uplift ourselves and increase our vibrations. So a lot of tips, things, etc. will be there. So it is highly recommended. At least join the free sessions and try to learn something more through the paid courses also.
Yeah.
Yes, where mantra japs are concerned, like I said, they will be. We will be having meditation sessions regarding this. Mantra jap, naam jap, etc. No, we will be having meditation sessions regarding this. How do we prepare our next kids for the next 8 to 10 years? Should we be with our family and not stay at a distance from them? No, there is no difficulty that way, Nirupama. You can stay at a distance, no issues. But what is important is each one should be bonded with each other. Bonding is important for relationships. And preparing the kids for the next 10 years, 8 to 10 years is, see, kids are very small. So we have to put them in the Bhakti Marg. We have to teach them mantras. We have to make them chant them every day, be consistent with them, see that they learn it and they are consistent with the practices. We have to ensure that. That is important. So when how to overcome the new Chinese virus, I think the government will be best able to answer this, whether they will come out with a vaccination or anything regarding this. So how we can overcome the new Chinese virus? One thing is keep yourself safe, keep your immunity levels high, and keep your vibrations high so that negative energies are not able to reach to you. Like negative energies are lower beings, lower energies that move at a particular frequency. And if your frequency is higher than that, then they will not be able to reach you. So raise your frequency, raise your vibrations, work upon your body, work upon your body, not in the sense of going to a gym. Work upon your body in the sense of working upon your chakras, working upon the immunity levels of your body, having your affirmations properly, doing your affirmations properly, doing your meditation properly, consistently, committedly, every day, without a break. Clean your aura, lock your aura. I've always been telling you all, clean your aura, lock your aura, clean your aura, lock your aura. कितना बार मैंने repeat किया हुआ है, वो ही मैं repeat कर रही हूँ. Clean your aura, lock your aura, and raise your vibrations to such a position that the negative energies are not able to reach out to you. Even then, sometimes we are human beings. कभी up down हो सकता है, कहीं कुछ लग गया, then you have to work upon it and resolve it. And Bhakti Marg is the best to resolve this. Yes, another question is, are we going to participate in the Kumbh Mela on Jan 13? Acha, we are going to participate on Jan 13th. We are now at Dehradun, Kashi, Prayag, and Ayodhya are to be visited for darshan. All prayers, ma'am. Very good. Thank you so much for giving this information. Very nice to hear this. Have a wonderful darshan. Pray for yourself, pray for your family, pray for Saksharita family, pray for the world. Or would just taking the name of Ishtadev be enough? I will say that you need to do something more than that. Just taking the name of Ishtadev will not be enough, because, like for example, I will give you a very simple example over here. When you want prosperity, there is an energy Devi whom you revert to for prosperity. That is Mahalakshmi Mata. When you want Gyan, knowledge, there is an energy Devi that relates to that energy. That is Saraswati Mata. Right? So similarly, Ishtadev to hai hi hai. Ishtadev will help you lead to the right energies, the right Bhagwans or the right mantras that you need for your protection. So for this particular chaotic stage, there are certain mantras, there are certain Bhagwans whose energy we need to tap into, whose protection we require. So you will need to do that. You cannot say that I will just pray to my Ishtadevata. You will need to do this additional thing also. Something more you need to do. So you need to, so all these things we'll be having our workshops. So I will be putting out the notifications. So join in for that, find the time somehow or the other to join in for that and do that. So all guidances will be given in the workshop regarding that, how to do, what to do, including how to do the job. A lot of workshops are lined up. Many are free. So start with the free ones immediately, and as and when possible, try to do the paid ones also. I have cultivated the habit of chanting Ram Raksha Stotram and listening to the same audio given by you, ma'am. Very nice that you're using it well, Nirupama. Continue doing that, but I would say that you need to work a little bit more on other things also. Like I said, you need to work on different fronts. Okay? Because attacks are going to be coming from different fronts. So you need to work on different fronts. You need to work on your karmic area. You need to work on your past karmas as well to release, dissolve them. You need to work on your present karmas. You need to work on your bhakti. You need to work on certain mantras that will help you during this chaotic period. There are certain mantras that I have given during the mantra siddhi that we have been doing during the Chaitra Navratri. Over there, I had given certain mantras in the Rama Raksha Stotra that is required. And I had said, please chant these mantras before you leave your home. I don't know how many people are practicing it consistently, but I had said, chant these shlokas before you leave home. I had given the guidance. So those things, such things are required. You need to bring some discipline into our life. अभी तो हम लोग जैसे तैसे ऐसे वैसे जी रहे थे. अभी ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. We will have to bring in a routine. We will have to bring something into our dincharya, into our daily routine. And we will have to bring in some discipline also into our lives. How to control anger as a lot of injustice and cheating rises. We know it's not right. We should fight back or call down. That depends upon situation to situation. Whether you need to fight or whether you need to raise your voice. But when you are countermanding somebody, you can do it without anger. You have to learn to control anger. We will be having a workshop on anger management because like I said, मंगल ग्रह यहाँ पे एंगर इश्यूज होने ही वाले हैं लोगों में. जिसको इतना सा एंगर होता है रेगुलरली, उसको इतना होने लगेगा. तो जिसको इतना होता है उसको इतना होगा. राइट? सो एंगर इश्यूज होने ही वाले हैं. So therefore we will be having a workshop on anger issues. So there we will be teaching how to control your anger and how not to react to situations but respond to situations. Is the turbulence that you mentioned is specific to a geographical area? What turbulence are you talking about?
No, you mentioned the world will witness, the chaotic situations.
Calamities?
Like it is happening in the West Bank and, Ukraine and all that. So
No,
is
you mean
it confined to that?
No, you mean natural calamities?
Actual calamities or, human-related, created by humans like wars and all?
Not a single geographical area is going to remain untouched.
Oh, I see. Okay.
It is going to affect every place.
It's a world phenomenon.
It's only a matter of percentage because, there is something called as land karma. Okay, so every land has got their own karmic cycles. So it all depends upon the karma of that particular land to what extent that land will get affected. For example, जो यूरोपियन एरिया है एंड मिडिल ईस्ट है, वो तो बहुत ही बर्बाद होने वाला है. Because the karmic areas over there of that land has not been good. So it is payback time now.
Okay.
So those things are going to be there. And not a single geographical area is going to be spared. ऐसा नहीं है, like I told you, भारत में भी होने वाला, इंडिया में भी होने वाला है. India is not going to be spared. हमारा तो बाहर से भी अटैक होगा और अंदर भी अटैक होने वाला है. We are going to be having a part of the world war also and part of a civil war also happening inside. Internal revolutions, rebellions होने वाला है. So we are going to be caught in that crossfire of the two wars, civil war as well as global war. But still, we will be able to surface out. Finally, after 7-8 years, I am talking. So we need to survive these 7-8 years through this turbulence. Today, during the Bala Gokulam class, it was shocking and sad to see the temple stairs getting demolished. How to overcome all such events in front of our eyes, ma'am? You will not be able to overcome all such events. These events are going to be happening. These are all signs that are being shown in front of you by the universe कि आगे इससे भी भयंकर चीजें आने वाली है. इससे भी भयंकर चीजें आने वाली है. So how are you going to be stopping a particular temple from being demolished? The temple stairs that were demolished, how are you going to stop it? These are going to be happening a lot because there is a clash between the positive and the negative. So ये clash between the positive and negative में हमें ये बीच में बैठ के सैंडविच होना है या हमें ये पॉजिटिव साइड में रह के ताकतवर रहना है. That is our choice. That is our free will. अगर हम पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव में डोलते रहेंगे, then we will be in the sandwich state, crushed between the two. तो अभी हमें डोलना नहीं है. नेगेटिव को कंप्लीटली छोड़ के पॉजिटिव में कंप्लीटली उतरना है. And surrender to God. Complete surrender. It's not easy to do complete surrender. डाउट्स आएंगे मन में कि भगवान मेरी प्रार्थना क्यों नहीं सुन रहा है, क्या है, क्यों नहीं सुन रहा है, ये डाउट्स तो आने वाले हैं. बट यू हैव टू overcome, talk yourself out of it, overcome it and say no, I will not sway to these doubts. धीरे धीरे होगा. एक दिन में सडनली ऊपर से भक्ति ऐसे नहीं आने वाली है हमारे में. एक दिन में सडनली नीचे ऊपर से नीचे सरेंडर भाव नहीं आने वाला है हमें. वो क्लेश रहेगा. इसीलिए अपने माइंड को कंट्रोल करना शुरू करो. कुछ डिसिप्लिन फॉलो करो. वी हैड दिस 8 days चैलेंज. बहुत सारे लोगों ने एक बार किया, 1 राउंड किया 8 days चैलेंज, उसके बाद में छोड़ दिया. उसमें बहुत सारी, इट वॉज अ जेंटल स्टेप ऑफ 8 days wherein you are training your body to certain things. Unfortunately, many people did not take the benefit of it. अपनी सांसों पे काम करने को सीखना है हमें. That you get it in this 8 days challenge. There are very, you all know who are part of the group, how many people are actually participating, even now, who is consistently non-stop doing the 8 days challenge. 1 round खत्म हो गया, दूसरा round शुरू. 1 round खत्म हो गया, दूसरा round शुरू. Consistency, commitment है. You know how many people are doing it and how many are not doing it. Results आपके आंख के सामने ही. You have to work on your breath. क्योंकि ये जो प्राण वायु हम ले रहे हैं वो ही खतरे में है. So I'm not saying this to frighten you. Don't get scared. डर के मत बैठो, because डर is also a negative emotion. So डर के मत बैठो. Don't get scared. Be positive that we shall overcome. We will work on this and ensure that we overcome. We will bring in a discipline into our daily life that will help us to overcome this. All those people who are there in the 8 days challenge, at least कम से कम वो तो शुरू करो आज से. We are asking only for 5 minutes every day, no? कम से कम वो तो शुरू करो, आज से ही शुरू करो. उसका तो कोई टाइम की पाबंदी नहीं है. You can do it any time. मॉर्निंग, नाइट, एनी टाइम कर सकते हो. कभी कभी तो प्रतिभा का मैसेज 11:30, 12 o'clock को आता है. शी इज डूइंग इट एट दैट टाइम, समटाइम्स इन द नाइट, बट शी इज डूइंग इट. सो देयर इज नो टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट. यू कैन डू इट एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस. उसके लिए 5 मिनट तो निकालो, आज से शुरू करो. जो भी वो ग्रुप में है 8 days चैलेंज वाले चैलेंजर्स जो है, शुरू करो अपना चैलेंज कम से कम आज से. That is one thing you can do immediately. This was a 8 days challenge program workshop that we had started. It was announced in all the groups and everything, and people had joined in over there, and all the information how to do it, etc., was explained to them in the beginning of the workshop itself, Nirupama. And it just takes about 5 minutes every day. That's all, not more than that. So you can start that at least for now. शुरुआत के लिए कम से कम वो शुरू कर दो. Those who are there in the 8 days challenge workshop, who have joined in, you all know the process, you all know the procedure. उसका PDF वगैरह सब आपके साथ है, informations है, instructions है. शुरू करो. Any other questions? Otherwise, we will wind up. Any other questions?
That's it.
You can unmute yourself and ask any other questions then. Yes, Rutu, Rishabh wanted to ask some questions. Where is the boy? He wanted to know whether we can ask questions. All right. Okay, so if there are no further questions.
He is not here, ma'am.
Okay.
He is gone down.
Okay. All right. So if there are no further questions, then we will wind up. Okay. So be alert. All that I can say is be alert and start, at least those who are there for the challengers who are there in the 8 days challenge, at least start that process starting from today. अभी क्या कर सकते हैं, अभी कम से कम वो शुरू कर दो. Okay, फिर notifications will keep coming, so be alert to the notifications. Join in for the workshops. Free workshops है, कम से कम वो तो at least attend करो. And paid workshops में और कुछ ज़्यादा extra सीखने को मिलेगा आपको. That will help you to strengthen yourselves more. So join in for whatever facilities, whatever availabilities the center is giving out to you all. So join in, reaching out to you all. Join in for that and अपने आप को सक्षम और बलवान बनाओ. As बलवान as Hanuman ji. Because he is the Devata of 2025. Okay? So as बलवान as Hanuman ji, अपने आप को बलवान बनाओ. All right? So we'll close with this. Thank you all so much for joining in.
Thank you. Right.
Stay blessed always.
Thank you, madam.
Jai Vishwanath, Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, ma'am.